recording.
Yeah, we are starting with the valedictory function, and yeah, Ganesh will be the master of ceremony.
Good evening, everyone. So now we are proceeding with the final part of our faculty development program, that is valedictory function. So now I request Dr. V.R. Malik sir, who is the main coordinator for this ATAL 6 days FDP, to deliver the welcome address.
Yeah, I welcome one and all here. Good evening, everyone. So it's my pleasure to welcome you all to the valedictory session of this enriching ATAL faculty development program on microwave processing and 3D printing of functional materials, from fundamentals to future technologies. Over the past 6 days, we have explored cutting-edge advancements in microwave materials processing, additive manufacturing, energy storage, sustainability interventions. The sessions have been insightful, engaging, and filled with discussions that will undoubtedly shape our future research and academic contributions. As we come to the final chapter of this FDP, this session marks an opportunity to reflect on our learnings, share experiences, and discuss the way forward. So once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you and hope that this session brings meaningful discussions to conclude this wonderful journey. Over to Ganesh.
To summarize the entire program and also to point out the key highlights. So first I'll just read out the summary of the entire program. So ATAL Online 6 Days Faculty Development Program was organized by KLS Gupta Institute of Technology from 3rd February to 8th February. So day 1 started with the first session from Dr. Chandrasekhar sir, who is the technical advisor for energy group of companies. In his first session, he discussed about the fundamentals of microwave materials processing. And in session 2, again, Dr. Chandrasekhar sir emphasized on the mechanisms in microwave processing for functional materials. And day 2, that is 4th of February, session 3 was organized by the resource person, Raghavendra S. And the topic of discussion was on 3D printing of functionally graded polymer matrix composites. Followed by the session 4 by Samyak Yan, where he explained about 3D printing of functionally graded metal matrix composites. On day 3, we had the resource person from IIT Tirupati, that is Dr. Ajay Kumar, who explained us about energy storage and conversion materials, that is batteries, supercapacitors, fuel cells, based for enhancement in energy conversion efficiency. And followed by again the next session by Dr. Ajay Kumar from IIT Tirupati only. So it was on the characterization of functional materials. Day 4, we had a discussion on sensors for healthcare and environmental monitoring and graphene based devices by Dr. Ruma Ghosh from IIT Dharwad. Session number 8 on day 4 was delivered by Dr. Anbukar C. Rajendran from IIT Dharwad again on characterization of functional materials. Day 5, we had 2 sessions. The first session was on enhancement of functionalities by surface texturing of additively manufactured components by Dr. Mamila Ravi, who is the professor and head of the department of IIT Tirupati. Followed by the session on micro machining for microwave and RF application by Dr. Mamila Ravi Shankar. And on the day 6th, that is today, session number 11 was delivered by Sajita on nanostructured functional materials. Then we had a session on sustainability interventions for 3D printing of functional materials by Professor Kapil Gupta from University of Johannesburg. Followed by the session by emerging trends and commercialization of microwave processing by Chandrasekhar sir. And then the characterization, that is especially XRD and scanning electron microscopy by Anbukar C. Rajendran, assistant professor in the IIT Dharwad. So this is the overall summary 180 participants had registered for this particular faculty development program. And in future, we seek the same active participation from all the faculties in the faculty development program that will be organized by KLS Institute of Technology. Thank you for your support. And now I am handing over the session to the participants where they can express how we can improve the faculty development program or their feedback about this particular faculty development program. Anybody who is interested voluntarily can give the feedback. You can unmute the camera. Sorry, you can unmute the mic and also on the camera.
Hello.
Yeah, sir. Audible. You are audible.
Sir, good evening. This is Rayappa Mahale from Department of Automation and Robotics, JSPM's Rajarshi Shah College of Engineering, Pune. First of all, I would like to thank the coordinators of FDP, Dr. Malik sir and Dr. Ganesh Chate sir. It is one of the wonderful FDP as per my opinion, and I have attended many FDPs related to the 3D printing, but this was the best FDP as I can say. And as per the sessions are considered, first session was delivered by Dr. Chandrasekhar sir. It was a very interesting session for me because I belongs to powder metallurgy background. And second session was organized by delivered by Mr. Raghavendra sir and Samyak sir. This is 3D printing of polymer matrix composites and metal matrix composites. It was also very valuable as well as interesting. Then one more session by Dr. Ajay Kumar sir from IIT Tirupati is also good. And as per my opinion, the session by Dr. Mamila Ravishankar sir, he has explained very nicely regarding the surface texturing enhancements and regarding and the micro machining. And one more is sensor for healthcare development and environmental monitoring sessions conducted by Dr. Ruma Ghosh as well as Dr. Anbu Karasi Rajendran from IIT Dharwad. And last session was also very good. Nanostructured functional materials and sustainability of interventions of 3D printing as well as characterization techniques. Again, I would like to thank Professor Sangeeta Madam and Professor Kapil Gupta sir as well as Dr. Anbu Karasi Rajendran Madam. So I would like to thank also my friends, I would like to thank my friends, Professor Prashant Kakmari sir, as well as Professor Dr. Manjunath sir, so that they only give the contact, they only sent the message of this FDP, as well as I would like to thank the management of KLS-GIT for giving me the opportunity to attend this wonderful FDP conducted on this microwave machining of 3D printed materials. Thank you all.
Hello, this is Dr. Vinayak Kulkarni from KLE Technological University. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, Gokte Institute of Technology, for organizing a very useful FDP, which is very relevant to today's technology, and especially the coordinators. It's Dr. Vinayak and co-coordinator Dr. Ganesh. They have done a very excellent job because we know how hard it is even after the college hours. I see that whenever the camera is on, you are still sitting in the campus and organizing the entire event. Every day till 9:30, 10 o'clock, you are there because of organizing this. And this particular, and the whatever you have called the resource persons, all are very well good researchers in that particular area. So that's one more important thing. Rayappa has also very neatly mentioned about various researchers who were there as a FDP specialist, and Dr. Ganesh Chate also have mentioned about in detail about the entire FDP. So I once again take this opportunity for giving us an opportunity to attend this particular FDP. Thank you one and all, and kudos to the organizers. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. This is Gurraj Hatti, Dean Academics from KLS VIT Haliyar. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate and thanks for conducting such an FDP from North Karnataka, because we were not aware of such kind of uh, say the techniques, microwave. We used to go through the some of the things maybe from the papers, as well as the people who have been conducting in and around the India, and as well as from the outside also. So first thing is Sister Concern Institute, which has conducted such a wonderful FDP with respect to the this technique, and also the topic chosen, as well as the resource persons are, as Vinayak Kulkarni sir said, they are well versed in their area, and they are just enlightened, and we came to know that so and so things, that means the techniques are available in and around us, like IIT Dharwad, and who are all the people in the well versed in their areas, especially from IIT Tirupati, because we used to listen to them with respect to the 3D printing since COVID, the other ATAL FDPs which have been conducted previously. So how they are related, and especially from the sustainability point of view, after that 17 sustainability points came into picture. So how they are related to these areas, everything. So once again, I congratulate all the people, uh, coordinators, as well as the team behind to run successfully this FDP, as well as the principal sir, as well as the management, each and everybody. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Uh, good good evening. This is Dr. Nikhil from Reva University, Bangalore, and I would like to thank for giving us an opportunity to attend this 1 week FDP on, that is on microwave processing and 3D printing of functional materials. Uh, to be frank, the program was exceptionally well structured, covering the basics as well as advanced techniques, as well as the real world applications of these emerging technologies in microwave processing as well as 3D printing. And also, I would like to thank our organizers, Dr. Manjunath, Dr. Ganesh Chate, Professor Sidram Adi, as well as Vinayak Malik sir. A very well organized FDP, sir. Thank you.
Good evening. This is Dr. Anand from Mysore, the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. My sincere thanks to the organizing committee. The FDP was well organized, and we were able to get a comprehensive understanding about the 3D printing concept and opportunities of 3D printing in research, the research opportunities in 3D printing. My sincere thanks to all the organizing committee and Gopte College for conducting such a wonderful FDP. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Myself Padma Kumar. So I was glad to attend this FDP. So I just recall the points told by Dr. Ravi Shankar sir, professor and head of the department IIT Tirupati. Sir said that there is no shortcut for success. Only the hard work can take to the success. So we have the live example with us, that is Dr. Malik sir. So as a student, I have worked under sir. So we used to work day and night in the lab. So whatever the institute has given the facility, so we have worked for that. So the session was good. So all the eminent speakers were called. So I thank Dr. Malik sir and Ganesh Chate sir, so for taking the all the back end efforts to call the eminent speakers. So I also thank the institute for supporting the uh, Malik sir and the Chate sir for to take this FDP as a part. So this is all I want to express my words. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I am Gaurav Kulkarni from KLS JIT. So first of all, I would like to really congratulate and thank all the organizers of this FDP since this was one of my very first FDPs that I attended. With every passing day, the curiosity was going on increasing with the eminent speakers and a number of topics which were quite unexplored by me in the past. So they have created a curiosity for me to take up research in similar areas in the days to come. So I would like to really congratulate and thank Dr. Malik sir, Dr. Ganesh Sate sir, Sidram sir, and all the team for organizing a beautiful FDP. Thank you.
So good evening, everyone. So I wish to congratulate all the organizers of this ATAL FDP. And this topic was one of its kind. It was a new topic which was conducted in this part of our region. And the FDP was very informative, and all the speakers were very eminent in their respective field, and they have enlightened us with their knowledge, and they have put the curiosity into us to go forward and to find some new things in these topics. So once again, I would like to congratulate all the organizers, Chate sir, Vinayak sir, Vinayak Malik sir, and Sidram Adi sir. And they used to continuously send us the messages regarding the feedback links and other things. So finally, we used to obey them and do the things which they asked us to do. So it was a nice, well organized FDP at the end. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you all. Anyone wants to give the feedback?
Hello, sir. My name is Shantinath from
Yes, sir.
Bartej Polytechnic, Belgavi. I congratulate to the team behind this FDP on microwave and process and additive manufacturing. Sir, all the topics were very excellent and provided valuable knowledge to us. And the sessions were very well organized. Thank you for the great opportunity for the learning experience. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So now we'll move on to the next part of our today's valedictory function. So I request chief guest of today's function, Dr. V.K. Chandrasekhar sir, to address the participants. Over to you, sir.
I am surprised that I am being called all of. Again, I was just observing the reactions from all the faculty members and the audience, and I am not really prepared to talk on this. But anyway, since the opportunity has come, let me make a few comments. First of all, it is extremely useful knowledge for all the faculty members to know what exactly is happening in different disciplines. Today, every subject is highly specialized, but at the same time, it is interdisciplinary in nature. It is not sufficient to know only one aspect of your specialization, like mechanical engineering or metallurgy or chemical engineering. You need to know what exactly is happening in other areas so that you can combine your specialization with some other discipline to make a useful contribution. And towards that knowledge, these type of FDP programs are extremely helpful, because within a short time you will come to know about what exactly is happening in different disciplines. Second thing is that many of you will be curious or interested in conducting research in specific areas. By listening to various speakers, you will get an idea about which direction you need to pursue your future research programs. Third thing is that we need to kind of remember always that anything that we contribute to the society, even by 5%, 2%, 1%, it doesn't matter. It will be very, very helpful. And towards that, information gathering as well as knowledge from specialist speakers will help in improving our own knowledge and ability to do further research or further information gathering and teaching. Also, this will be very, very useful. And so these type of FDP programs are extremely useful to gather information, and it will give you a guidance for what exactly you want to do in the future. Lastly, I must tell you that the Goktek Institute of Technology has taken enormous efforts in organizing this. Everything has been meticulously planned, and the communication from Dr. Malik and others have been very prompt and very what you call efficiently done. And sometimes over communication is more important than no communication at all. And I've been sent messages on WhatsApp and email regularly to update me on what exactly is expected of me and so on and so forth. And I congratulate all the faculty members, including Dr. Malik, Ganesh Chate, Sidram Adi, and others who are behind the scenes activities for their activities in organizing such a wonderful program. And I must also thank the audience. I mean, I don't know most of you, but many of you did ask very interesting questions, complex questions, which are not easily available in the literature. If you want to know the answers for that, it is not so easily available. You have to search a lot of journals and those type of things. And it was very, for me, it is very satisfying. And I wish our Chairman, Mr. Prakash, was also able to participate, but he could not for some reasons. And once again, thank all the organizers for the wonderful work that they have done in collecting all of you together in one forum and disseminating knowledge and information. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Yeah, finally, it's time to say thanks to everyone. So it's my honor to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank ATAL for AICTE, that is for providing us the opportunity to organize this particular faculty development program. And I would like to also thank KLS management for motivating us and supporting us in all the way in order to conduct this faculty development program. I would like to thank our principal, Dr. M.S. Patil sir, head of the department, Dr. Harshit Kulkarni sir, also our main coordinator, Dr. Malik sir, PhD research scholar Sidramadi, and other faculties like Dr. Manjunath ji, Prashant Kumari sir, and Vinayak Kulkarni sir, as well as Dr. Professor Venkatesh Deshpande. Also, I would like to thank the technical support staff, Mr. Rajendra, for his continuous support, because he was also there in the lab till 10 o'clock every day with us. So, last but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants who wholeheartedly participated in this FTP. Not only wholeheartedly, but also actively they participated and asked the questions. It was more of an interactive session rather than one-way lecture delivery. So I would like to thank all the participants as well as resource person for successfully conducting this faculty development program. Before winding up the valedictory function, I request all the participants to switch on the video so that it is required actually. For that reason, I request all of you to switch on the video. Yeah, others please.
ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ yes
Yeah, thank you. Thank you all. I request participants to stay for some time. We are going to explain you how to do the quiz on ATAL portal. So, just within 2 minutes, we are going to start that particular slideshow and we are going to explain in the meantime. Okay.
And
Thank you.
once again, we thank Chandrasekhar sir for
Thank you.
Now I'll share this. I'll be sharing the screen. Yes. I just see, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Well, downloading the level editing.
Yeah, as soon as you log in into your ATAL portal, you are going to get something like feedback over here. Yeah, of course, we are going to share the PPT in the WhatsApp group for your reference. So this is the feedback. You have to give the feedback, then only the next step certificate will come.
Next step.
And after that, then click here for the feedback. So first you are going to click on this feedback, and once it is done, you are going to get a screen like this. You have to click on this over here to share the feedback. And about all the entire sessions, the feedback is there, which will hardly take few minutes. So you can give it to the feedback. These are the questionnaires that are given in the feedback. Okay.
Without feedback.
So without feedback, you are not going to get the certificates. Next part is assessments. So as soon as you log in, just above the feedback, there is something called as an assessment. So click here for the assessment, and when you click on this test link, the questions will appear, and you need to give the answers, and you need to submit. And link is active only for 30 minutes.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
You cannot minimize that.
And you will be knowing that what are the difficulties. You cannot minimize it, or you cannot open the other screen. So that is one good thing about this ATAL portal. So if you have any difficulties, please message us in the WhatsApp group only. Don't message individually, because it is difficult to reply for all the comments. Okay, so the portal is active. There is no problem with logging in, and also quiz is live. So you, as soon as you start the quiz, you will get the questions. First you
25 questions.
45 feedback.
Yeah, 25 questions are there. First you have to start with the feedback, then you have to give the assessment. Okay, so minimum marks is 70% to get the certificate. Yeah, I am going to share this particular slides in the WhatsApp group. You can refer them. Thank you. Yeah, you can switch off the videos if you want.